Today we will be showing you two delicious, unique recipes, the Mandarin soil and the Chuit soil series. Although they are best enjoyed in Florida and Alaska respectively, these dishes are perfect for a date night at home no matter where you are.
First, the Mandarin soil series. The Mandarin soil is a delicious, sandy, salacious, thermioxyaquate orthod. This means it's best enjoyed in a warm, wet climate. To create this recipe, you want to start with one large bowl. Our first ingredient, the most important one, is sand, and lots of it. 2 cups to be exact. Directly into this sand, you want to mix in 2 tablespoons of hummus. This really gives the recipe some body and holds it all together. Make sure to mix this in thoroughly so we can get all those good bits of carbon in there. Alright, next we're going to want to add some sugar. This will really help keep those microbes happy and give them plenty of nutrients. Next we're going to add a little bit of vinegar. Next we're going to want to add some vinegar. The Mandarin soil series ranges from mildly to very acidic, so add to your liking. Then we're going to add in some water. The Mandarin soil series gets approximately 50 centimeters of plant available water depending on root length during the growing season, so make sure to add plenty of it. Next we're going to add in just a little bit of salt. Understanding that most of the soil is sand, so that the salt is going to pass through pretty easily. Make sure to taste according to your Make sure to season to your preference. Next, we're going to take this mixture and we're going to put it into a large baking dish. We need this baking dish to be strong and sturdy since it's going to be sitting in the oven for a very long time. Next, we're going to take this baking dish and we're going to place it in an oven that has been preheated to around 67 degrees Fahrenheit on average. It's going to sit in the oven for approximately 2.5 million years until ready. I know this sounds like a long time, but we need every second of it for a great soil. Once it's reached the 2.5 million year mark, we're going to go ahead and pull it out of the oven. And it should be a delicious, delicious Mandarin soil series. Look at that beauty.
The Chuit soil is a tasty meat oil over loamy mixed superactive andic humic. This soil is best enjoyed in dry, chilly weather. To create the Chuit soil series, you'll first add 2 cups of silt loam. Add a ½ cup of hummus to this silt loam and mix until just clumpy. Don't overmix. The first few horizons of Chuit contain the most soil organic matter. Next, you'll add a pinch of sand, not too much, but enough to give the soil some grainier particles. Water is added next, but only up to about 6.7 centimeters of plant available water. The Chuit soil is relatively dry and is often in periods of use and deficit during the year. Acid is added next in the form of vinegar. Adjust to an average pH of 5.3. Once all of your ingredients have been thoroughly mixed, you'll place this bowl in a freezer with an average yearly temperature of 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Leave it in for about 2.5 million years, and there you have it, your own beautiful scoop of the Chuit soil series.
The Mandarin soil and the Chuit soil are great date night soil series recipes. The Mandarin with its extensive layers and acidic twang, and the Chuit with its wonderful silty texture and cryotic temperature regime. We hope you learned a bit during this tasty episode and to continue to watch our channel. Thanks!